All across Texas, it's a struggle now just to keep warm.
It's freezing, it's a blackout, no electricity.
Back-to-back winter storms and 4 straight days of sub-freezing temperatures made worse by rolling blackouts to protect the power grid. Millions without power and heat for days.
This is a storm of a century, and it truly is. It's hard to deal with it all, but we're doing the best, dead level best job that we can.
For some, candles replace stovetops. Church fans, the only refuge from the cold.
How are you guys doing?
Good.
Unbearable conditions making life miserable.
We're just hoping the lights will come back soon enough, because it's really freezing. It's horrible.
Across Central and North Texas, pipes are freezing and breaking, but that's not the biggest concern. It's people and the risk of exposure.
It's a pretty tragic few days here in Houston and across Texas.
Another worry, reports of families being poisoned by carbon monoxide while trying to stay warm.
Do not use grills indoors. Do not use any appliances that belong outdoors, indoors, and do not run your car inside your garage.
A disaster still unfolding, with more cold weather and power outages expected over the next several days.